A very good afternoon, my dear lovely children. Welcome to this class. Today's English class, you are going to learn textbook exercises and question answers from the poem number 1. Okay, children? So, let's begin the class. So, dear children, tell me what you have learned in your previous class. You have learned the different kinds of sleeping of different animals. Okay, how the animals sleeping in the funny way. Okay, children, so you have learned about some of the animals and their sleeping habits. Okay, children. So first, okay, you have seen about birds, how the birds sleeping, standing on one leg, and they tuck, okay, they close their heads into their feathers, back feathers. Okay, children, standing on the leg, okay, on this type of branches, okay, perch. Next, chickens also sleeping in the same way like the birds. Okay, chickens also the birds family, right? So chickens also sleeping in the same way. They also standing on one leg and they tuck their heads into their feathers. Okay, so next we learnt about mice, how the mice, okay, sleeping. So in this poem the poet compares mice to the church. Okay, so church is the very silent place where we are not allowed to talk and making noise. Okay, simply we go for praying. Okay, children, like that the mice also sleeping very softly. Okay, children, silently. So the poet compares the mice to the church, dear children. Next one, we saw about kittens. Okay, kittens, they sleep like a funny ball. Okay, in the funny way. Okay, here look at this picture. Cats sleeping like a ball. Okay, curl up itself and it looks like a funny ball type. Okay, we saw about horses, how the horses sleep. Okay, horses sleep in a stall means horses, okay, place. Okay, children, stall means where we keep the horses, that place is called stall. Okay, children, horses hanging their heads. Okay, look this picture. Okay, not straight. Okay, the head is not in straight. Okay, it looks hanging. Okay, so horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Okay, horse is standing but the head is looks like this. Okay, next you have seen, okay, about dogs also sleeping like kittens. Okay, looks like funny ball. Okay, so sometimes dogs stretch out his body, sometimes it looks stretch out means in sleeping in the straight. Okay, sometimes curl up in a heap, sometimes it looks a ball shape. Okay, so cows lie down upon one sides. Okay, look at this picture, cows sleeping like this. Okay, children, cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep, dear children. Okay, next, but little babies, dear, are snugly tucked in beds. But look at this picture. Babies are sleeping and humans are sleeping very in the comfortable manner. Okay, children, they have special blankets, soft pillows for their heads. Okay, and they have bed also. Okay, children, so the babies, little babies or human are sleeping in the best way, comfortable way. Okay, so in this poem the poet is saying that, okay, animals are not sleeping in the proper way, comfortable way, but the human, the babies are sleeping in the comfortable, okay, proper comfortable way. So most comfortable place is bed. Okay, the poet says that most comfortable place is bed for sleeping. Okay, children, now we are going to, okay, we are going to learn question answers and textbook exercises from this poem. Understanding the poem. Tick the right options to answer these questions. Now we know the concept, or we know the theme of the poem. Okay, children, now we have to answer these questions. Here some options are given here. You have to choose the correct options and you have to put tick mark on it. Okay, children, these stand on one leg and sleep. Okay, so which animal is this? These stand on what? Little birds. Little birds stand on one leg. Okay, children, so the correct answer is, dear children, tell me, kittens, little birds, dogs, cats. Which one is correct? Little birds, dear children. So put tick mark on little birds. These curl up in a heap. Dear children, what is that? D, curl up in a heap. Yes, dear children, dogs. Okay, DOGS, dogs. These lie down upon their sides. Cows. Okay, COWS, cows. Okay, cows are, okay, sleeping on their sides, upon their sides. So these hang their sleepy heads. Okay, sleepy heads, okay, hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. So stall is a place for keeping horses. Okay, horses place is called stall. So horses. Okay, horses is the right answer, dear children. HORSES, horses. Okay, so this main first one is, these stand on one leg and sleep. Okay, these stand on one leg and sleep. Which is that? Which animal is this? Little birds. Then next, these curl up in a heap. These curl up in a heap. Dogs. DOGS, dogs. Next one, these lie down upon their sides. Cows. COWS, cows. These hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Horses. HORSES, horses. So dear children, in this poem you can see every two lines have a same ending sound words, rhyming words. Okay, every two lines you can see way, away, same, okay, sound, same ending sounds. Okay, children, way, away, perch, church, ball, stall. Okay, these all words are called rhyming words, dear children. Next, heap, sleep, beds and heads. Okay, children, these words are called what, children? Rhyming words. The same ending sounds, okay, the same sound words are called rhyming words. Okay, children. Now the question answers. Okay, only 5 questions are there. Okay, only 5 questions are there. Now I'll tell you how to write the answers for these questions. Okay, dear children. Children, here see, first you have to write in your 4-line notebook, English notebook. Okay, children. So in the top of the page corner you have to write today's date and day. Okay, 14/7/21 Wednesday. So next what you have to do, don't write here. Okay, in the first line you have to write poem number 1. Okay, poem, P-O-E-M, poem number 1. So what is the name of this poem? How they sleep. Here they is mentioned for animals, dear children. How they sleep means how animals sleep. Okay, so how they sleep means how the different animals sleep in the different way, funny way. So dictation words, first main you have to write like this. Okay, so first line poem number 1, second line how they sleep, and third line you have to write dictation words. Okay, so here you can see I am given 15 words. Okay, from this poem. These words are new words for you, dear children. Okay, so you have to learn the spelling of these words. Okay, so first one, sleep, dear children. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. So dear children, okay, learn the spelling. Okay, read the letters after with me. Okay, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. P-E-R-C-H, perch. C-H-U-R-C-H, church. K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. S-T-A-L-L, stall. H-E-A-P, heap. S-T-R-E-C-E-T-C-H, stretch. So next word, snugly. Snugly, S-N-U-G-L-Y, snugly. Next, tucked. Tucked, T-U-C-K-E-D, tucked. Next one, babies. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Blankets. B-L-A-N-K-E-T-S, blankets. Heads. H-E-A-D-S, heads. Pillows. P-I-L-L-O-W-S, pillows. Soft. S-O-F-T, soft. So 15 words. Okay, learn and practice these words, dear children. Okay, next main, dear children, very simple main, plural words. Okay, write the plurals of these words, dear children. First word, what is this? D-O-G. What, dear children? D-O-G, dog. Okay, D-O-G, dog. And the plural form of dog is D-O-G-S, dogs. Okay, D-O-G-S, dogs. Next one, B-E-D, bed. Okay, plural B-E-D-S, beds. Next, baby. So ending letter, okay, Y means you have to, okay, ending Y means what you have to do, cut the letter and in that place you have to write IES. Okay, last ge Y bandre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ IES ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, so how to write here? Here you can see B A B I E S, babies, dear children. Correct, no? Then next, bird. Bird means birds. B I R D S, dear children. Next, mouse. Mouse, plural form M I C E, mice. Kitten. Kitten, baby cat is called kitten, right children? So kittens. One kitten means one kitten. Here many kitten means kittens. Okay, more than one is called plurals. Okay, this side you can see more. Okay, this side only one person, one animal, one thing. Okay, one place for singular column. Okay, and plural column, more than one dog. Okay, more than one bed, more than one babies. Okay, so this side, okay children, more than one. Horse, horses. Cow, cows. So very simple, dear children. Okay, so very simple words. Dog, dogs. Bed, beds. Baby, babies. Bird, birds. Mouse, mice. Kitten, kittens. Horse, horses. Okay, horse, horses. Cow, cows. Okay, so over. Two means, okay, over. Two means over. First main dictation words and second main plural words. Okay, now dear children, you will learn rhyming words. Okay, so dear children, write the rhyming words. So dear children, the same ending sound words, okay, the same ending sound words are called rhyming words. So here you have to write the rhyming words for these words. Okay, so beds, heads. HEADS, heads. Okay, my handwriting is not good, but you have to write neatly. Okay, so in my left hand mobile is there, no, so I can't write neatly. Okay, so heap. Next, heap. So heap, next one, heap, sleep. Next, way, away. Same sound, no, ending sound. Porch, church. Ball, stall. So learn and practice this mains also, dear children. So first main dictation words, second main plural words, and third main rhyming words. Okay, dear children. Birds, heads. Heap, sleep. Way, away. Perch, church. Ball, stall. Okay children. Next one, next main, this is main question answers. Okay, so very easy main. Okay, only small answers are there, so you can, okay, practice easily. Answer the following questions. First question, what word does the poet use to describe the way in which something go to sleep? What word, which word the poet used to describe, okay, for the animals, for their sleeping? Okay, so here the answer is, the poet uses the word funny. Okay, how the animal sleeping, the animals sleeping in the funny way. Okay, in a funny way. Okay, the animals are sleeping, okay, like a funny way. Okay children, so the poet uses the special word for this poem. Okay, for poem, that word is funny. Okay, all the animals, okay, sleeping in a funny way. Okay, so to describe how some animals go to sleep. Okay, so main answer is funny. Next word, what do little birds and chickens do while sleeping? What do little birds and chickens? Little birds and chickens sleeping in the same way, dear children. So how they sleep? So first we know that they standing on one leg. Okay, they standing on their one leg, and what children, they tuck means they close their heads into their back feather. Okay children, so here you can see little birds. Little birds means small birds, and chickens means baby hen. Okay, little birds and chickens stand on one leg. So this is the main answer, dear children. Stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep, dear children. So little birds and chickens stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep, dear children. So main answer is little birds and chickens, how they sleep? They stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep. Okay, dear children, now third question, how do kittens look when they curl up close? How the kittens sleep? The kittens look like a funny ball when they curl up close to sleep. When kittens sleeping, it looks like a funny ball, dear children. Okay, because they curl up their body, they curl up itself, and they looks like a funny ball, dear children, while they sleeping. Next, how do cows go to sleep? How do cows go to sleep? They lie down on their sides to sleep, dear children. Okay, cows lie down upon their sides or on their sides, anything you can write here. Cows lie down on their sides to sleep, dear children. Next one, where do little babies sleep and how? Okay, now last question. This is very easy and very simple answer. Little babies, how the little babies sleep? Okay, so this picture, how the little babies sleep and where. Okay children, so answer is where the little baby sleep? Bed. Okay, in their beds. So little babies sleep in their beds. So little babies sleep in their beds. They are tucked in with warm blankets. They are tucked in with warm blankets, dear children. So tucked means they covered their, closed their body with warm blankets. Warm blankets mean it is a thick bed sheet like. Okay, so it is covered with, the baby close his body with the warm blankets. Okay, so they have soft pillows, and they have, okay, the babies have soft pillows also, not only blankets, warm blankets and beds, and they have soft pillows for their head for the good sleeping. Okay, for the comfortable sleep. Okay, so little babies sleep in their beds. They are tucked in with warm blankets. They have soft pillows for their heads, dear children. These are the question answers. So first question, main answer is funny. Okay, the poet uses the main word for this poem is funny way. Okay, so next, chicken, how the chicken sleeping, stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep. Next, how the kitten sleep. Kitten looks like a funny ball, okay, when they curl up their body. Next, how the cows go to sleep. Cows lie down upon their sides to sleep. Next, where do little babies sleep and how little babies sleep in their beds, and they have warm blankets and soft pillows for their heads. Okay, finally the poet says that the most comfortable place is bed for sleeping. Okay, so this poem is over, dear children. Okay, so today's notes, you have to write all these notes in your notebook, English notebook, dear children. First main dictation words, and second main plural words, then third main rhyming words, and fourth main you have to write answer the following questions. Only 4 mains are there. Okay, so very easy mains also, and this main write in your textbook only. Okay, put tick mark this main, no need to write in your notes, dear children. Okay, so have a wonderful day, dear children. So stay happy, stay safe at your home. Till then, bye, dear children. Thank you.